What is the farthest place in the universe that humans have reached? In this vast expanse of stars, humans are always as small as dust. Even on this small blue planet, the scale of life that each of us possesses cannot cover every corner of it. However, with the development of human technological level, the aerospace technology unique to intelligent civilization has provided us with tremendous energy to embrace the stars. So what is the farthest place humans have reached? The first is the moon, which is 380,000 kilometers away from the Earth. So far, this is the farthest place humans have reached. In the last century, humans launched the lunar landing program and sent 12 astronauts to the surface of the moon one after another. This is also the only planet that humans have truly set foot on, and the first celestial body humans have reached beyond the Earth. That is to say, until now, the only place where humans have truly set foot is within the Earth-Moon system. Outside the Earth-Moon system, there is no trace of human life. The second is 23 billion kilometers away from the Earth. Although humans have only truly reached the moon, which is 380,000 kilometers away from the Earth, humans have sent some unmanned probes into the vast space. Human probes have been present near the 8 planets in the solar system. Even in the distant area beyond Neptune, human probes have visited some celestial bodies at close range. Even now, there are still human rovers working on the continents of some celestial bodies, transmitting photos of these planets back to us. Of all the detectors, the Voyager 1 probe has flown the farthest. The Voyager 1 probe was launched from Earth in 1977. In 1979, Voyager 1 reached Jupiter. In 1980, it visited Saturn. And in 1990, it reached a distance of 6.4 billion kilometers from Earth, taking the famous pale blue dot photo, which was shocking. Since then, Voyager 1 has continued to fly to even more distant regions. As of now, it has flown to an area about 23 billion kilometers from Earth, becoming the farthest human-made probe. However, this 23 billion kilometers is only the limit that humans can currently reach, and the edge of the solar system is still unknown. However, some scientists believe that the edge of the solar system should be calculated according to the gravitational range of the Sun, which is about 1 billion years away. In other words, to reach the true boundary of the solar system, the probe still needs to fly for about 18,000 years. As for the third distance, it is 128 light-years away. In 1895, the Russian physicist Popov invented radio, and since then, humans have been able to communicate wirelessly through electromagnetic waves. Since electromagnetic waves can propagate at the speed of light in the universe, it means that the earliest electromagnetic waves of human civilization have traveled a distance of 128 light-years in the universe, and this distance is also the farthest position reached by humans through electromagnetic waves. Later, humans discovered that radio signals could be used to communicate with unknown civilizations in the universe. Therefore, in 1974, humans sent a simple message, including human DNA codes, human data, and telescope information to the globular star cluster M13, which is about 25,000 light-years away from Earth, through the famous Arecibo radio telescope. These messages are now flying at the speed of light towards the M13 globular star cluster. If everything goes well, the civilization in the M13 globular star cluster will receive this civilization message from Earth in about 25,000 years. If they decide to reply to us immediately after receiving this message, we will receive the message from the civilization in the M13 globular star cluster in about 50,000 years. Now we know that we live in a huge galaxy called the Milky Way. Our solar system is just one of billions of star systems in the Milky Way. The farthest regions we have reached are only within this small range, and everything beyond is unknown to us. The diameter of our entire galaxy is approximately 120,000 light-years, estimated by human astronomical observations, but there is no definite conclusion on the actual size of the Milky Way. When we send messages from one side of the galaxy to the other, it takes 120,000 years for the other side to receive it. This is the scale of our Milky Way. If we shrink the Milky Way to a circle with a diameter of 100 meters, the farthest distance reached by our electromagnetic waves is only 10 centimeters. Even the distance traveled by Voyager 1 is less than 0.0001 millimeters. However, the Milky Way is too small for the vast universe. There may be billions or even trillions of galaxies in the universe, each spanning several light years or even tens of light years. Our Milky Way is just a common one in this vast universe, and its enormity is only relative to us humans. Nevertheless, this tiny 120,000 light years limits all the future of our human civilization. Perhaps, even if we exhaust the entire length of human civilization, we will never be able to leave the Milky Way.
Let us know in the comments section what you liked about this video or what you'd like to see next time we make it. We read every comment carefully.